Welcome to Mommy Stella TV, aka if I naive world, my tell my subscribe and God go bless you. Now they can't go no go ever sickness no go ever enter our body. This 2020 I say how rich so enjoyment go full. Now enemy go dey cry say I know they don't see food it up for your home everywhere dinner so smell when I go dey see. So more you go straight to I subscribe to Mommy Stella TV, share my video and God bless you. So more you go straight to the reason. I want to talk about woman wey frame man before you marry him. After 1 year, you divorce her. And man wey frame woman before you marry her. After 1 year, you say you no want again. Yes, sometimes not dey reach 1 year. This egg, every woman get am for inside body. This one na dimpa, ma oh. And this thing dey shook this thing. If you dey shook am, e dey sweet. If you not dey shook am, e not dey reach am. E no dey sweet. You know say some men dey go dey find this thing for inside woman body. They go dey find am, they go dey find am, they go dey find am. They no go ever see am. E no dey, they no dey see am. They go dey find am, they go dey find am. They no dey see am. So today I want to talk about this my matter. I go reach part 2. If you even pass part 2, but na short story now I dey do. Sister, you get boyfriend before you come marry. You first friend boy now. The boy dey okay for you. Only one thing what the boy no dey do, he no sabi dress. You can't go one party one day, you can't see one boy wey be say he sabi dress, he fine. You can't say, this boy fine. This kind boy dey fine. So women they can select. Choo. Now this kind boy now they fine. If I can carry and go party, carry and go marriage, carry and go birthday. People go they say, see my guy, see my bobo. Bobo yeah. Because of that one, you come marry. When you know, say, as one of the friend, this dimpa and this away that side that your body, you know they match together. Because of say you fair, you can't enter the marriage. You can't be there. When you don't marry and finish, you not see be the way you want them. You can't dey carry head up and anything wey this man go do for you, anything wey you want. Before you cry, meaning you don't do one. Before you tell this one, you don't do one. But inside you not dey okay. Especially if they do that thing. Sometimes there's some men they go they do for them. They just they use their strength, their power when they get make them make sure say you dey okay. My dear sister, you know the upon the lulu where you go lulu you not see dey okay. Sometimes the man go don't come, you come ask and say, you don't come. You say yes. Sleep go don't take that one go. You can't tongue like this, looking for back. You can't is sister, you know they okay. You know what you do because you friend them before you marry them. Some will come born put. You know what you do. So you can't dey there. You can't that time you can't remember your ex, the way they do you. This one not they do me like that. But when you know, say this man not they try for you for bed before you marry him. You don't know. Tell me say you don't know. You know. Because maybe everything go change. Some women just that they just meet the man so be too the man they will see the beer. You can't bear and marry. You not go see work. Inside your heart, problem dey. You not get peace. And the man now they try. And the man they try his best. Make you for dey okay. But he not let you talk. You can't go they complain. The way they do me. I beg everything quarrel. Anything with that man do, you go quarrel. Everything with that man do, you go quarrel. And you not let you open my tell and say, honey, my husband see what they do me. No go let you talk. Because you don't let him answer. Now you they see some say, well, what's this woman they okay? Well, power I will now what must say now. Jimmy. Any man why must say now? They know where not what worry with family or worry but you just it's something like I said tomorrow, not day. People come there to say, what did the man do? But this man not they talk now. Only one word you fit they say, now who wear shoe. Now you know where to pay now. Sister, shut up. You need serious prayer, deliverance, now you need yes. You will be the man. You'll just see this girl, the shape. Because of that shape and that fineness. You say if you not marry and die. You can't forget the one where you with a day before. You can't so they follow because of money. And you know say that woman not go for bed though. Because the woman rich. And you know say that man not go for bed though. Because the man rich. They follow. Now you they see some big men. Some women they'll marry big men, they'll see the shit. So you come, this man now go come marry this woman. As he marry the woman finish. But you know, say this woman, you know they do what your ex-girlfriend they do. Your ex-girlfriend go cry, papa go cry, mama go cry, generation, cause say you live on. Just now your day okay before. As you don't marry finish. And the girl they do you, your wife not they do one when you new marry. You go try your best. You go try your best. The woman go dey try your best. The woman go dey try your best. May marry you not the boy. Before the woman talk one, you talk to. Anything what you sabi do. If you cook, now food you just know. Not be every man like food though. You never seen woman wey not sabi cook. They will say, this your wife not sabi cook. What you do is they go say live and there. This your wife not get character. What you do is they go say live and there. This your mind not the grip person. You go say, man, leave my husband for me. I don't know say it. I buy food. If this egg and this thing not they jam together, you know they sweet, no matter do, you know they go well. So they go come, the woman go come, the woman go come, they cry. They say, no, what is this man? Do you know what you do this man? You will be that kind of man. Say, brother, you need serious prayer because you know what you do. Now you see some men, if they go just day, the woman finish. Now never see man will be say, no, you know they shit on your husband. No, they shit on your wife. Yes, men, they all fingers are not equal. All man not be the same. Man, they will be say, he not the shit on your wife. Yes, because he hurts. Not be buy that way that they buy for pharmacy. You go buy that thing for pharmacy. You can't the rubber for inside. It's a vein. You can't the rubber for inside that kind of thing. Make the whole thing open. Now, if your heart beat together, you know the tight. Before the woman, the man even say, you don't make worry. Not be by that thing that they buy for supermarket. Not be by put on like if your hearts not go together, it not they work. No matter how you go, you want use rich, what go still did the heart because that thing and that egg not they jam together. That thing and that egg not they sweet for the relationship. Not be ruru. The time where our mother never know to be ruru. They not the born. You never see this man go they beat this woman. He go they beat this woman. They go say come on for there. He go say no they go now there you want die put. The woman will worry the man. Everything when he do and do. Everything the man will suffer beer. What he see. You go dead there. You go say no they come out. My dear sister. On part 2 de this program. I be mona me share. Mona subscribe. Mona thumbs up for me. No say I be that and you come. To na small. Na subscriber. God go bless you. So make I use this stuff. Use this come. This on you make don't understand. Part 2 day you go come. Huh?